Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I have teamed up with AliGraceHair to bring you guys this 5x5 lace closure wig. AliGraceHair is a popular, well-known hair company, especially here on YouTube. So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Let's install this wig. Let's go. Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. So today I am going to be installing this 5x5 HD lace closure wig from AliGraceHair. Now I want to take a moment just to talk about the lace on this wig. I feel like it's so important nowadays to have like an HD transparent clear lace, whatever the case may be. I feel like the brown unnatural looking lace is just played out and should definitely not even be an option on wigs anymore. Just when you have an HD or an upgraded lace, it just makes blending a whole lot better, and it gives you a more seamless look when it comes to your wig install. So even though this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, it's definitely still giving a very nice install look. So I am going to pull a little bit of the baby hairs out and press out the hairline on this wig just to know exactly what I'm working with. Now I also did go in and pluck the hairline just a little bit, because with these 5x5 lace closure wigs, they can look very wiggy, but if you go in and pluck them just a little bit, and especially if you have an HD lace, your wig is going to look real good. And honestly, because you are working with very limited lace, I think it's so important also to have a really nice lace on a 5x5 closure wig. As you guys can see, when I'm swooping in the baby hairs on this wig, it really looks like scalp. I also think the 5x5 closure wigs are really good for beginners, or even someone who just wants to, get into the wig movement or whatever, and they just don't want to have a lot of time being focused on the hairline. I think 5x5 closures are really the way to go. I even find myself grabbing 5x5 closures when I just want to throw on something. I need to go to the grocery store and I need my hair to look good. Definitely a 5x5 is going to give you what you need without having to focus in on making sure the lace is laid and blended and all of that good stuff that comes with a full lace wig install. So as you guys can see, this hair smooths out really good. This is a 180% density lace frontal wig, and it is definitely going to hold a curl very well because it already has a very nice texture to it. did have to go back in and recurl the hair in certain sections because I was trying to get a more volumed look, and honestly the curls just wasn't forming in the direction that I wanted them to go. So I just decided to leave the hair like this and not continue to finger comb the curls because they were definitely dropping at this point. So I will make sure I have all of the information below on AliGraceHair. And thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye.